Good morning, and I just realized some things, or I just know a fact or two when I did go back home last or the day before yesterday. We don't have a word for that in English, but we do have a word for that in my language. But essentially, what I did was I am just reading or listening to a video about this dopamine maxing, productivity, etc., etc. And he mentioned that you need to have at least 7 hours of sleep because it is important for your body. And I am negotiating that it's not really important how many hours, it's the quality of sleep. And I'm down to this rabbit hole of thinking and proving that point. And what I found out is that it's not about the sleep, it's the cycle of sleep. So we have estimated about 90 minutes or 1.5 hour for every cycle of sleep, and we have this one first stages, which is the falling asleep stages. The second sleep or the second level would be the light sleep, and the third level would be the deep sleep. And then we have REM, which is rapid eye movement, which we do or which our brain does so that we can process emotion. This is the moment that you have vivid memories of when you are dreaming. So when we are in a third sleep, it's our body doing our or cleaning our body or mind so that we are physically fit. But for the second time or for the next process, which is REM, it's our mind or brain processing all the emotions that we have. So it is important to have those sleep, and I do track mine, and I'm now more aware of it. So I do have 27% and then 30 plus percent for the deep sleep and 27% for the REM. And generally REM dominate the second half of the sleep, while the deep sleep dominates the first half. So the first half would be focusing on you falling asleep so that your body will physically repair itself, while on the latter stage you will need to have more time or ample amount of time so that you can process your emotion, or your mind and body will process that for you. And yeah, that's it for today.